Join me as I take on the challenge of building my dream Squarespace website from scratch, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in 2024. In this video, you'll learn how to build your dream Squarespace website or online store in 2024, whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your existing site. Many people struggle with creating an effective online presence that reflects their brand and meets their business needs. It's frustrating to feel like your website doesn't truly represent who you are or what you do. You might be stuck with a clunky design, poor user experience, or limited functionality, making it hard to attract and engage with your target audience. Furthermore, without a clear online strategy, you may be losing potential customers and revenue. Today, we'll tackle those common challenges head-on. Having a professional-looking website is crucial in today's digital age. It's often the first point of contact between you and your potential customers, and it can make or break their decision to do business with you. That's why it's essential to have a website that accurately reflects your brand's identity, values, and mission. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to create a stunning Squarespace website that truly represents your brand. We'll explore key features of Squarespace, including templates, customization options, and e-commerce tools, while providing tips to optimize your site for better user experience. Squarespace is an incredibly powerful platform that offers a wide range of built-in features and integrations, making it easy to create a website that looks amazing and functions beautifully. From responsive designs to SEO optimization, we'll dive into the essential elements that'll take your website to the next level. One of the most significant advantages of Squarespace is its ease of use, even for those with limited technical expertise. With its user-friendly interface, you can focus on creating a website that truly reflects your brand, rather than getting bogged down in coding and technical jargon. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large business, Squarespace has the tools and flexibility to meet your unique needs. We'll also discuss how to choose the perfect template, add engaging content, and optimize your site for conversions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create a website that drives results and grows your business. The big reveal will be a step-by-step demonstration of how to create a stunning homepage and set up an online store, showcasing the ease and functionality of Squarespace. You'll get to see firsthand how to navigate the platform, customize your design, and set up a fully functional online store that's ready to take orders. We'll start with a blank slate and work our way up, covering everything from choosing the perfect template to adding products and configuring payment gateways. You'll get to see the entire process unfold, and by the end of it, you'll have the confidence to create your own online store. Throughout the demo, I'll be sharing my own tips and tricks for creating a stunning homepage that engages your audience and drives conversions. From layout and design to content and imagery, we'll cover everything you need to know to create a homepage that truly represents your brand. By the end of the demo, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create a stunning Squarespace website that drives results and grows your business. Whether you're looking to sell products, offer services, or simply showcase your portfolio, you'll have the knowledge and skills to create a website that truly represents your brand. To wrap up, we will summarize the essential steps and best practices for creating your dream Squarespace site, ensuring you have the tools to succeed. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to creating a website that truly represents your brand and drives real results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips on web design and digital marketing. Also, share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.